Assalamu alaikum students, this is Dr. Iram Sayyed. I'm from the Physiology Department of FUMC and today we will learn how to count the platelets. Now let me make one thing clear, it's the same method we used for the RBC count. The same hemocytometer is used, the same RBC pipette is used, and only what is different is the diluting fluid. We'll come to that later. अब सबसे पहले what we do is we learn what are the objectives of our doing this experiment. So number one is we have to learn the method of platelet counting. And by the end of this session, we will be familiar with the shape of the platelets. We should also know what is the normal platelet count range, and we should also know by the end of this session what is the association of the platelets and the disease. Now, what is the apparatus or the requirement for this practical is, number one, as you all know, hemocytometer. Number two, we have the RBC pipette. Then we have the spirit swab, the lancet, the cover slip, microscope, and the gloves. The diluting fluid, I told you, it is different in this case, in the platelet count case, and that is known as the Rees-Ecker solution, REESECKER solution. The constituents are brilliant crescile blue. This is a dye. 0.1 grams of it is used to stain the platelets. Number two is the sodium citrate. This prevents the clotting of the blood, and 3.8 grams of sodium citrate is used. Formalin is taken in the concentration of about 0.2 milliliters, and the distilled water 100 ml is added to all this, and this makes the Rees-Ecker solution. Now we come to the procedure. As I've already indicated, इसका procedure बिल्कुल वही होगा जो हमने RBC count में use किया था, जो हम लोगों ने lab में किया था. उसी तरह number one step होगा कि we'll take a clean and dry hemocytometer and an RBC pipette. Then we will focus the grid, first on the low power and then on the high power. उसके बाद what we have to do is we have to clean our finger with the spirit swab, और lancet से, individual lancet से we have to give the cut. First drop of blood को हम discard करेंगे because as I told you उसके अंदर tissue fluid होता है, and after that we'll take the blood from when the next drop of blood is formed till 0.5. Then we take the Rees-Ecker solution and fill this pipette up till 0.101. Now we mix both by moving the pipette in the figure of 8, as I already told you in the lab, और जिस तरह मैंने आप लोगों को समझाया था उसी तरह. अब जो हमने प्लेटलेट काउंट करने हैं, हमने वो भी उन्हीं 5 स्क्वायर्स में काउंट करने हैं जिन 5 स्क्वायर्स में हमने आरबीसी काउंट किए थे. If you can see the diagram, you will know that it is done in the same 5 squares in which we counted the RBCs. In other words, we are counting the platelets in 80 smallest squares. एक स्क्वायर में 16 हैं और उनको multiply by 5 करो, 16 5s, so it becomes 80. So we are counting the platelets in 80 smallest squares. Now what we do is we charge the chamber by placing the pipette near the cover slip, which we put on the grid. इस तरह चैम्बर बन गया और जो फ्लूइड है वो कैपिलरी एक्शन से मूव कर जाएगा अंडर द कवर स्लिप. नाउ वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द प्लेटलेट्स एंड वी यूज द टॉमस रूल फॉर काउंटिंग द प्लेटलेट्स. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव टू what we have to leave is the upper and the right line. You people have practiced it already. You people know how to do it. When I told you earlier, what we change here is the diluting fluid only and nothing else. Baki, it's all the same. Even the calculations will again be the same. चलिए जी, now we come to the platelet count. अब हम लोग करेंगे और उसमें हम calculations, dilutions और volume calculate करेंगे. So please recall from the RBC practical, the volume of each of these squares, each of the 16 squares is 1 by 4000 cubic millimeters. किस तरह हमने calculate किया? We multiplied the length with the breadth and the depth together, and this is the volume of 1 by 4000 cubic millimeter of one smallest square. Dilution, we take the blood till 0.5 and the Rees-Ecker solution till 0.101. Now actually the mixing which is taking place is only in the bulb. So what we have is 0.5 parts of the blood and 100 parts of the Rees-Ecker solution. And if we calculate the ratio, it comes to 1:100. So the dilution in this case is 200 times. Now we have two facts with us. One is the volume, which is 1 by 4000 cubic millimeters, and we have the dilution, which is about 200 times. Now we go for the calculations. The number of platelets हमने count कर लिए. So the number of platelets in 80 smallest squares will be x. In one smallest square, it will come to x by 80. And now the one smallest square has the volume of 1 by 4000 cubic millimeters. So we can say that in 1 by 4000 cubic millimeters, the number of platelets is x by 80. Or we can say that in 1 cubic millimeter, it is x by 80 multiplied by 4000. Now, in the next step, we counter the dilution we did. So it comes to x by 80 multiplied by 4000 multiplied by 200. अब अगर हम इस इक्वेशन को फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हम लोग जहाँ पहुँचते हैं वो ये है कि दैट द नंबर ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स पर क्यूबिक मिलीमीटर विल बी x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10,000. ये मिनिमम मतलब ये कहना चाहिए द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट इक्वेशन आपकी ये बनेगी. You can calculate it for yourself and you can see. Again, I emphasize that you complete your notebook the way I told you. You will have the date on one side, the name of the practical, the apparatus, and then you draw the diagram of the square. You indicate where do we count them, calculate the volume, calculate the dilution, and you do the calculations and answer the questions. When you inshallah come back to the college, your copies, your journals should be completed and up to the mark. Now students, we come to the procedure part. सबसे पहले आप देखें कि वो he will take out a spirit swab. Spirit swab से he will clean the finger of the subject. New lancet open करेंगे और new lancet से he will give a sharp cut, sharp small cut. पहला drop remove कर दिया. Let the next drop form. Now he is going to suck it till 0.5, suck the blood till 0.5. Now he will take this pipette to the Rees-Ecker solution. इसमें 0.101 तक solution भरेंगे. You can see it is rising up in the bulb. After this, he will fold it and move it in the figure of 8 as I told you in the RBC practical. इन्होंने ग्रिड को पहले से फोकस कर लिया है, पहले लो पावर पे, उसके बाद हाई पावर पे. अब ये कवर स्लिप रखेंगे ऑन द he will discard the first few drops of blood क्योंकि वो सिर्फ Rees-Ecker fluid होगा. Now we will take a cover slip and place it on the Neubar chamber. इस तरह इन्होंने उसके ऊपर रख दिया. अब वो चैम्बर बन गया. Now he will touch the side of the cover slip with the RBC pipette so that a thin fluid film is formed. This is now placed in a petri dish and rested for about 20 minutes. ठीक है, उस वक्त तक you can clean the apparatus, put everything in place. अब इस जगह हम लोग 20 minutes wait नहीं करेंगे and we will continue with the experiment. आप समझेंगे 20 minutes have passed. Now we take the pipette. We take the Newbar chamber and place it on the microscope, जिसमें ग्रिड फोकस की थी पहले लो पावर में और फिर हाई पावर में. नाउ वी स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द प्लेटलेट्स. प्लेटलेट्स आपको मैंने बताया था उसी तरह काउंट होते हैं जैसे लीव अपर राइट लाइन को लीव करते हैं. 80 स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर्स में ये काउंट होंगे. पहले हाई पावर पे फोकस करेंगे और फिर लो पावर पे फोकस करके he will get to a clear picture and after that picture he will start counting it. So this is how it is done. और इसके बाद ये होगा कि हम लोग कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे आफ्टर वी हैव काउंटेड. और हमने एवरेज नहीं लेना, हमने जितने प्लेटलेट काउंट करने हैं वो 80 के 80 स्क्वायर्स में काउंट करने हैं और उन सबको ऐड कर देना है. हमने उनका एवरेज नहीं लेना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट द सेम मैथड वी यूज्ड फॉर द RBC practical. And thank you Mr. Abrar, thank you Mr. Vasif, Mr. Danish, thank you very much, and thank you students. I expect you to complete your journals and come prepared inshallah when we meet again. Allah Hafiz.